NMMS 2023 स्पर्धा यशस्सु that paper 2 social science questions and answers with explanation part 2. 11. The 5 vows of Jainism are options: A. Non-violence, truth, astheya, aparigraha, justice. B. Non-violence, truth, astheya, aparigraha, peace. C. Non-violence, truth, astheya, aparigraha, mercy. D. Non-violence, truth, astheya, aparigraha, brahmacharya. The 5 vows are as follows. First, non-violence, truth, astheya, aparigraha, brahmacharya. So our right option is D. Non-violence, truth, astheya, aparigraha, brahmacharya. Question number 12. Read the given statement and choose the correct answer. Statement A. Buddha gave his first sermon in the Deer Park of Sarnath near. Statement B. This has been called Dharma Chakra Parivartana. Our options are A. A is true but B is false. B is true but A is false. Option C. Both A and B are true. Option D. Both A and B are false. Statement. After becoming Buddha, the enlightened one, he first went to Sarnath near Banaras. There, in the Deer Park, he gave his first sermon. This has been called Dharma Chakra Parivartana. That's why our right option is C. Both A and B are true. 13. The king, who is renowned as the father of Indian inscriptions. Our options are A. Ashoka, B. Kanishka, C. Samudragupta, D. Harshavardhana. Answer. The earliest inscription obtained in our country has been the inscription written by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka. He got the inscription engraved on rocks and stone pillars. Our right option is A. Ashoka. 14. The new Saka era of Kanishka's reign began in. Options are A. 58 Common Era, B. 68 Common Era, C. 78 Common Era, D. 88 Common Era. Answer. Kanishka came after Vima Kadphises. During his reign, the Kushan dynasty flourished greatly. He established his rule in 78 Common Era and heralded a new era. This era is called the Saka era. Our right option is C. 78 Common Era. 15. Identify the scientists and mathematician of the Gupta period from the below given. A. Dhanvantari, B. Charaka, C. Sushruta, D. Aryabhatta. Our options are A. Only A. In option B, A and B only. Option C, A, B, C only. Option D, A, B, C, D. Let's check. Dhanvantari, he was a famous scholar in the field of medicine. Charaka, he was a medical scientist. Sushruta, he was a surgeon. He was the first Indian to explain the process of surgery. Aryabhatta, he was a famous astronomer and mathematician. Varahamira, he was a famous astronomer. So our right option is D, A, B, C and D. 16. Study the relationship of the first pair of the words and answer the second one. Vardhanas, Pusha Bhuti, as similar. Shatavahanas, options are Shri Gupta, B. Simukha, D. Danti Durga, Gautami Putra, Shatakarani. The relation is Pusha Bhuti is the founder of this dynasty. As usual, the Simukha became independent and made a Srikakulam his capital. Our right option is here B. Simukha. 17. Identify the kingdom in the below given map of India. Our options are A. Maurya dynasty, B. Vardhana dynasty, C. Gupta dynasty, D. Kushana dynasty. Let's see first Pusha Bhuti dynasty and Kushana empire. Next here is a Gupta empire. Next Ashoka's Mauryan empire. Our right option is here Gupta dynasty, C. 18. The correct chronological order of the following dynasties is options A. Kadambas, Gangas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas. Option B. Gangas, Kadambas, Rashtrakutas. Option C. Chalukyas, Kadambas, Gangas, Rashtrakutas. D. Kadambas, Rashtrakutas, Chalukyas, Gangas. The Kadambas 325 Common Era to 540 Common Era. The Gangas 350 Common Era to 1004 Common Era. The Badami Chalukyas 540 Common Era to 753 Common Era. The Rashtrakutas 753 Common Era to 973 Common Era. Our right option is A. Kadambas, Gangas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas. 19. Read the below given statements and choose the correct answers. Assertion. Assertion A. Gangas made Kuvalal, Talakadu and Manyapura as their capital. Justification are Gangas changed their capital often for the purpose of water. Option A is true, B is false. Option B is true, A is false. Option C, A and R both are true and R is correct explanation of A. D, A and R both are true and R is incorrect explanation of A. Here, Ganga dynasty claimed their descent from the Ikwashu dynasty. They ruled from the Kuvalal, Talakadu, Manyapura, today's Nelamangala, Bangalore rural district. So our right option is A. A is true, B is false. The dynasty which gave the name Karnataka is, options are Gangas, B. Badami Chalukyas, C. Hoysalas, D. Kalyani Chalukyas. The contribution of Badami Chalukyas. They were the ones who gave the name Karnataka to this land. Our right option is B. Badami Chalukya. 21. The Pallava king who earned the title Vatapi Konda was, options are A. Shivaskanda Varma, B. Mahendra Varma, C. Narasimha Varma first, D. Nandi Varma. Explanation. After some years, the Pallava king Narasimha Varma first took revenge on Chalukyas for the defeat of his father Mahendra Varma. He occupied the Chalukyan kingdom and captured the Vatapi during the time of the last Chalukya king. So our right option is C. Narasimha Varma the first. 22. The foreign traveler who visited the country court of Amoghavarsha of Rashtrakuta kingdom is, options are A. Meghasthenes, B. Fahian, C. Hoyensong, D. Suleiman. Many travelers and merchants visited the kingdom during this period. The prominent among them was the Arab traveler Suleiman. He was praised Amoghavarsha as one of the 4 powerful emperors of the world. Our right option is D. Suleiman. 23. Match the column A and column B and choose the correct answer using codes. Column A, Ranna, B, Nayasene, Bilhana, Vijnaneshwara. In B column, Dharmamruta, Gadayuddha, Mitakshara, Vikramanka, Deva Charita. The notable work of his period are Gadayuddha, Sahasa Bhima Vijayam, written by Ranna, Panchatantra, written by Durgasimha, Vikramanka Deva Charita, composed by Bilhana, Dharmamruta, composed by Nayasena, and legal work of Mitakshara, authored by Vijnaneshwara. Our right option is A. 24. The members of Grama Sabha of Chola administration were called as options are Uruggal, B. Peruggal, C. Perumakkal, D. Urumakkal. The Grama Sabha were the first Sabhas. Tarakkuram was a village. Every Kuram had a village committee named Mahasabha. This was also called Peruguri and its members Perumakkal. Our right option is C. Perumakkal. 25th. The correct statement among the following is A option. Vishnuvardhana constructed the Channa Keshava temple of Belur. Option B. Krishna III constructed the Kailashnath temple of Ellora. C. Vikramaditya IV constructed Hoysaleshwara temple of Halebeedu. Rajendra Chola I constructed Brihadeshwar temple of Tanjavur. The Brihadeshwara temple in Tanjavur in 500 feet tall and it is an courtyard 25 feet wide. Its shikhara is 200 feet tall. The Choleshwar temple was built by Rajendra Chola. The military general Ketamalla built the Hoysaleshwara temple at Halebeedu. Ellora and Elephanta cave temples. The Kailash Nath temple at Ellora, built by Krishna the First, is a monolithic wonder. To commemorate his victory, he built the Kirti Narayana temple in Talakadu and Channa Keshava Vijayanarayana temple at Beluru. Our right option is A. Vishnuvardhana constructed the Channa Keshava temple of Beluru. Remaining 3 are wrongly matched. 26. Ashoka's inscriptions, language and script was. Options are A. Greek and Aramaic, B. Prakrit and Sanskrit, C. Pali and Aramaic, D. Greek and Prakrit. These are mostly in Brahmi script of Prakrit language. Some inscriptions have been found in Greek, Aramaic and Kharoshthi script too. Option A. Greek and Aramaic. 27. This is an old site in India with caves and rock shelters. Options are A. Karnool, B. Bhimbetika, C. Honasagi, D. Akkalkot. Our right option is B. Bhimbetika. 28. Where was the painting of wild animals drawn with a great accuracy and skill found at? Options are A. Caves of Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, B. Caves of Madhya Pradesh and Kashmir, C. Caves of Karnataka and Maharashtra, D. Caves of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Drawing found in cave. Even today we can see the drawing done on the walls of the caves and on rocks. Such a cave drawing can be seen in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. There are beautiful drawings of wild animals and hunting. Our right option is D. Caves of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. 29. Traces of ash have been found in the caves of Karnool. The fire was used for. Options are source of light, B. to roast the meat, C option to scare away animals, D. all of the above. Awareness about fire. Probably fire was used for various purposes, to cook food, for lighting and safety from animals. Our right option is D. all of the above. 30. Which of these was the first Neolithic site to be noticed in India? Options are A. Lingasagara, B. Chirand, C. Mehergarh, D. Koladhyam. Our right option is A. Lingsagur.